Experts advise us to exercise, eat right, and keep our home and work environments clean. Lots of illness can be spread by touch, MRSA, strep, hepatitis A, influenza, and many others. It doesn't take much. When someone carrying these pathogens touches or coughs on a surface and you touch it, you have been exposed to their illness. It's often how disease spreads within a family or in a communal environment, such as a senior living facility, work environment, or a school classroom. Microscopic irritants can also create health issues, especially for people with asthma and allergies. Dust, dust mites, pet dander, mold, and other tiny particles are irritants for anyone with a respiratory issue. The cleaning professionals at Mary Maids and ServiceMaster Clean are thoroughly trained to remove these dangers from your home and office. Disinfection with EPA-registered products, modern cleaning tools, and proven techniques will help you live healthier and break the chain of infection. For a cleaner, safer, and healthier environment, at home and away, contact Mary Maids or ServiceMaster Clean. Happy National Cleaning Week.